Welcome back, guys. Your LinkedIn page can serve as a resume whenever you are looking for a job or whenever you are trying to create a resume. All you have to click on is this more. Click on this more button and you see where you can build a resume. You get to build a resume with your profile, and I'll click on that and I'll say create from profile. Trying to create a resume for my profile, choose your desired top title. Based on this, you get personalized keyword suggestion. For instance, maybe you are trying to look for a tech instructor gig, you just type information technology specialist and let me apply that to my resume. Trying to build a resume, so it saves successfully, and all you have to do is apply to jobs with this resume. Then all you have to do is download the resume right away, and this is what the resume looks like. It brings out your name, your email address, your LinkedIn profile, your summary, your experience, and you can add more of that. And this is what it looks like. You can make this look so great by adding license, adding your honors and awards. Then you can edit these. You can edit things you don't like in the resume. For instance, let me say I want to edit my email address. You can edit it to another email address you are using. You can add your website, add your phone number, and add all those. Then you can do a little bit of summary. If you don't like this summary, you can cut it down to something that will suit your resume. As you can see, what to write about, how to write. So you can use LinkedIn to create a resume. It's just as simple as this. Then you can add more experiences to your resume and it's going to look so great. So once you have your resume sorted out, all you have to do is download as PDF, and once you have it, you can preview it before you download it. Try to preview it and you see what your resume looks like. Well, you can create a full resume with this, but I'm just showing you how to go about it. So when you click on it, you see that your resume is 2 pages and this is what it looks like. Then check for the second page. This is what the second page looks like. You can add more education, more experiences, cut down your summary and add more experience, cut down the description of your experiences to make your resume perfect. You can do all that. I'm just showing you how to build a resume out of your LinkedIn page. Then you download as PDF. Then you can have that submitted to wherever you want to work or wherever you're sending your resume to. And when you apply online, when you apply for jobs online, this is what people get to see. People can actually download the resume from your profile, and this is what it looks like so far. Our optimization is not done optimally. If it has been done optimally, we would see it in our resume. Our resume will look so great and so good for a resume. So we are going to do more of the optimization. I encourage you to do that yourself. Try to create a short description of each of the experiences you've had so far over the years. Add your honors and award, add your certifications and licenses. That's how I do in this course, but right now that's how to build a resume with your profile. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.